Have been a banker's son.
You might have pushed a plow.
But makes no difference what you were.
You're in the army now.
They'll
Wake you up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
For $21 a day, what's a month?
The bugle blows at you without any warning.
For $21 a day, once a month.
You wash your face, you comb your hair, you tidy up your bunk.
No matter what you used to be, you're nothing but a clock.
And then you go to school to learn to groom a mule for $21 a day, once a month.
We're in the army now.
Why do you go for a hike without any warning? For $21 a day, once a month. Your feet will hurt, your back will ache, and you'll be muscle bound. But all of this will disappear when that payday comes around. For 7 days a week, they build up your physique for $21 a day, once a month. $21 a day once a month.